Hi, this is David Marsh with eminitradingstrategies.com. Today we're talking about the Dow Emini strategy that I have. We are short 4 live contracts at 10,409. Took me a minute to get the video started as I was actually loading a new beta version of Pro Indicator version 2 that's set to release here shortly. You'll see there's some lines at the bottom of my screen, and those are for my Dow strategy. Those are the exit targets of my Dow strategy. The Dow tends to move a lot slower and trends a lot more than the S&P. So this system that I've tested with real money for over 18 months is a derivative of my S&P system, but it doesn't have as many rules. It's a little bit easier to trade because it's slower, but it's a great market to trade. So we may have to pause this video. As I said, these trades do move a little slower than the S&P, but we're going to let it go for a couple minutes, see what it does, and go from there. Now, one of the goals of my strategy here is you'll see I've got 25 at the stop loss. My profit says 15. I made a mistake on a dome. It's actually 25. But the goal here is to move my stop loss down pretty quickly. So once price action moves in my favor a certain degree, I'll start bringing down my stop loss. And at some point, if it goes down more, I'll keep trailing down my stop loss. So a couple ways you can trade my Dow strategy. You can go for small targets, 20, 25 ticks, or you could scale out. You see we have those different lines there. At some point, when Pro Indicator version 2 comes out of beta, we'll have it listed as profit target 1, 2, and 3. Again, this is a beta. So it's still in beta, so that's only just hash marks at this time, but I still wanted to show it off a little bit. We're pretty proud of Pro Indicator version 2. So you could scale out, as I was saying. You could, if you've got the appropriate capital available and you understand the system, you could scale out at to certain levels if you like, or you can just let them all off at a certain amount based on your own trading goals, etc. So we're going to let this trade cook just a little bit, looking like it's heading in our favor. We're back in profit here just a little bit. We got in, went against us just a little bit. Let's see if we can move it down towards profit target 1, and we'll start moving our stop loss a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and mute for just a minute, and if it doesn't move anywhere, I'll go ahead and pause the video. Well, we're already rocking and rolling here. Look at it go. Already got about 15 ticks. I'm going to go ahead and watch this for a minute. This is getting weak really quick. Well, you can see we're already just about at profit target 1. We're there at profit target 1. Got a lot of momentum to the downside. Well, look at that. Well, I made a mistake. I set my target at 23. Look at that. I'm already off. Wow, I didn't even get a chance. I was going to just get ready to move my stop loss down. Realized I had my target at 23, not 25. Made a little mistake there. So either way, good trade. We'll have to leave it there. Thanks for watching.